Beginner, Season 1, Lesson 1. Say hello in Turkish, anytime, anywhere. Hello and welcome to Absolute Beginner Series at TurkishClass101.com. This is Season 1, Lesson 1. Say hello in Turkish, anytime, anywhere. I'm Gabriella.
Merhaba, and I'm Feyza.
And together we are going to guide you through the first steps in Turkish. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say hello in Turkish any time of day.
The conversation takes place on the street. It's between Merve and Hakan. Hakan is Merve's husband, Bora's friend.
And they've just bumped into each other on the street.
Each other, so they're using informal language.
But with minor adjustments, this conversation is applicable to formal situations as well. Okay, let's listen to the conversation.
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Nasılsın?
İyiyim, teşekkürler. Ya sen?
Ben de iyiyim. Sağ ol.
Let's hear the conversation one time slowly.
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Nasılsın?
İyiyim. Teşekkürler. Ya sen?
Ben de iyiyim. Sağ ol.
Now, let's hear it with the English translation.
Merhaba.
Hello.
Merhaba.
Hello.
Nasılsın?
How are you?
İyiyim, teşekkürler. Ya sen?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Ben de iyiyim. Sağ ol.
I'm doing fine as well, thank you. Okay, so now it's time for some cultural information about greetings in everyday life in Turkey.
Turkish people are very vocal with their gestures, and this trait comes from their Mediterranean heritage.
That means smiling and shaking hands are key to forming a strong bond, right, Feyza?
They sure are. For a good first impression, try to hold your hand out with a firm shake, smile, and say, Merhaba. Yes, that's very true.
How about when you're talking to your elders? Do you need to change your mannerisms and attitude?
Good question, Gabriella. When you're talking to elders or other people you respect, replace sen, which is you, second person singular, with the second person plural siz. As for sağ ol, just add the related suffix, sağ olun, which means thank you. This personal pronoun and suffix is also used to emphasize politeness and courtesy.
And listeners, don't forget to bow your head a little when leaving.
That's right, but note that this should just be a slight tilt, nothing extravagant. But it's a sign of politeness that you should try to get into the habit of practicing at the same time.
It doesn't sound too difficult to change to a formal situation.
Yes, just a few minor changes.
Now listeners, Turkey is very diverse and eclectic in terms of people's cultural backgrounds. See the lesson notes if you want to learn more about the different gestures used by Turkish people of various backgrounds. Okay, now let's take a look at the vocabulary and phrases. Let's take a look at the vocabulary for this lesson. The first word we shall see is
Merhaba.
hello.
Merhaba. Merhaba.
Next,
Nasıl?
how, in what way?
Nasıl? Nasıl?
Next,
Teşekkür.
a word showing appreciation, thanking.
Teşekkür. Teşekkür. Hediye için çok teşekkürler.
Thanks a lot for the present. Next,
Sağ olmak.
literal meaning, may you be safe and sound. This expression is also used to
Sağ ol, çok yardımcı oldun.
thank you. You were a great help. Say thank you in Turkish.
Sağ olmak. Sağ olmak.
And last,
İyi.
good.
İyi. İyi. İyi hissediyorum. O iyi bir insan.
She is a good person.
Let's take a closer look at some of the words and phrases from this lesson.
Yes, as well as talking about their meaning, we'll give some details about their usage.
The first word from this dialogue is
Merhaba.
This is one of the most important phrases in Turkish.
Yes, you'll hear this every day and anytime, anywhere.
It can be used both with people you know and people you are meeting for the first time.
And it can be used in any context, both formal and informal. It means hello.
Faiza, what are some of the other expressions that are used to greet people at different times of the day, like morning or evening?
Well, merhaba, günaydın is hello, good morning. And merhaba, tünaydın is hello, good afternoon. And then there is merhaba, iyi akşamlar, meaning hello, good evening.
Wow, a lot to take in at once.
You think so? Well, for now,
Everyone.
hoşça kalın.